Do you ever stop to think about some of the bad habits that we have let take over our life? Do you ever second guess the cigarette smoke that you're inhaling into your lungs and other organs? Or even the fast food that you're stopping on a daily basis to eat for the convenience of your schedule? Most of us see past these warning labels, but our bodies do not. They take the blame for the things that we put them through. And what suffers the most from these things is our kidneys. Our kidneys are important organs in our bodies. However, we only have to have one to live. Today I'm going to persuade you to understand the harm that such little things can have on our bodies. But in reality, the harm is a lot bigger than it seems. Tobacco smoke contains 70 plus different substances that are believed to cause cancer. While inhaling the smoke, chemicals enter your lungs and spread throughout the rest of your body. So your lungs are not the only thing that is affected by the smoke. This is much like obesity. An obese person tends to have more fatty tissue and it produces more hormones, such as insulin. In insulin, it is easier for cancer cells to grow. So, in reality, taking the easy way out is not always the smartest way. Even though it may seem like it at the time, it's hurting you on the inside. Kidney cancer is a cancer that starts in your kidneys. However, it can spread throughout the rest of your body. We need our kidneys to flush out and clean our bodies. Unlike many strands of cancers, if it's caught in a matter of time, it can be cured. Like I said before, you can live on only one kidney. My father was actually diagnosed with kidney cancer 2 years ago. He had his whole right kidney removed and is living off of one kidney and is perfectly healthy. The survival rate for patients with kidney cancer is 79 to 100% if it is caught in its early stages. Roughly 100,000 people are known survivors of kidney cancer. However, it was also estimated that in 2014, over 63,000 people were diagnosed with kidney cancer, and over 13,000 of those people have died. Statistics have risen a lot. But why? Well, some people are born more likely than others to develop cancer during their lifespans because of traits that they are incapable of changing. It has been proven that more men are prone to develop kidney cancer in the time frame of 50 years old to 70 years old. As you're probably asking yourself now, why does this have anything to do with the habits that I choose to live by every day? It is important to realize that there are certain factors and risks that people make, and it makes them more prone to developing cancer. But some risks, such as the ones you were born with, are inevitable to prevent. As nerve-wracking as it is, scientists and doctors have not yet determined a set known factor for why kidney cancer develops. However, the known risk factors are unlimited. The risks that we are incapable of preventing are our age, sex, and inherited traits, but our bad habits are a completely different story. Doctors have seen more confirmed cases of kidney cancer patients from those who smoke, are obese, take pain medications for long periods of time, and high blood pressure. Is that enough to scare the bad habits out of you? Maybe, but probably not. But knowing that there are not many side effects of kidney cancer may help. Kidney cancer rarely shows any type of side effect. It is possible to have this strain of cancer for over 15 years and know nothing about it until it spreads throughout the rest of your body. Every day, your life is getting shorter when you have bad habits such as smoking, obesity, and so on. Even though that sounds kind of harsh, it's very true. Today in life, cancer is everywhere and everything causes it. So why portray to what the things that cause it? Because if you can prevent yourself from doing them, then shouldn't you try if there's a chance that it could help you? The world we live in today is full of toxins and chemicals that are harmful to the environment and even more harmful to us. So why take the chances with fast food or unsafe working conditions? when you know there's a chance it can harm you. The worst part of having cancer is knowing that you could have prevented it possibly, but now it could be too late. Kidney cancer is a serious matter for many Americans, but unfortunately, most are not educated about the risks of kidney cancer. It's a tricky strain of cancer because more commonly than not, there is no symptoms to it. So if you don't know that you have it, why would you stop the habits that you have? Americans should cut back their risk factors. Individuals can lower their chance of developing cancer by not smoking. Maybe try a pack of gum to kick the bad habits. Or even picking up a hobby to keep your mind off of smoking. I can guarantee, even though it's hard, it'll be worth it in the long run. They can also maintain their weight by eating healthier. More fruits and veggies for everyone, right? And lastly, they can control their blood pressure. Now, I know that doesn't sound easy, but exercise more and watch the medications that you're taking and eating healthier. They all play a role together. So if you can kick one bad habit, in reality, you can probably kick most of them. Even though the major risk factors of kidney cancer are unlimited, any victim can have kidney cancer. Like I said, there are some cases where patients have not had any of the known risk factors. My father is a set example of a patient who did not do any of these things but still developed kidney cancer. He also was not in the age limit from the 50 to 70 years in a man when kidney cancer appears. In that case, there's nothing you can do about it. But on the other hand, if you are doing these bad habits, why not stop them? Put your cigarette out, substitute your cheeseburger with a salad, start exercising, and begin to love your body inside and out. Your body is all you have, and you only have one chance with it. Cancer is very scary, and no one should have to suffer through it. And especially if you have a say in the life that you live, treat your body right. Thanks, guys.